Hi, I'm Erica Scahill. I am the founder and CEO of justalittle.girl.ie. I am also the face behind the interiors account Aderlia House. I live here with my husband Liam and our 4 children. Our home is our sanctuary. We moved in 2 years ago after a COVID build. It is a classic Georgian bungalow with a contemporary edge. I first got the interior bug when we purchased our first home 10 years ago. We did a full renovation and I fell in love with all aspects of design and interiors. It was then when we knew we wanted to build our forever home. I adore making mood boards on Pinterest. I had envisioned every room in our home before a block was even laid. I knew how I wanted each room to look and feel, but I also wanted it to feel cohesive throughout the entire home. In our girls' room, I knew it had to be somewhat girly, but I also wanted it in keeping with the classic look of the rest of our home. An off-white herringbone seemed like the perfect option in the girls' room. With the pink braids either side, it gave a playful feel while adding texture and subtlety to the room. I first came across Material World on Instagram. I adored their finished and completed projects in other people's homes. I knew they would have exactly what I was looking for. After ordering so many samples, I could see why Material World was so popular. Their quality is second to none, and their vast array of materials has something for every room. In our son Adam's room, he is a young adult, and we had to keep this in mind when choosing material for his bathroom and also his bedroom. A very classic pinstripe seemed like the perfect option, as it was going to match many colours on a palette of a room that could change over time. From ordering samples to choosing our material for our Roman blinds, the process has been incredible. The girls in Material World have been on hand through every question and query, and we are delighted with our Roman blinds. My advice for choosing window treatments in your home. It is a fixed feature that should last many years, and I personally like to keep it as classic as possible. If you are starting your new build journey or simply redecorating your home, I would highly recommend Material World. In our personal experience, we have enjoyed it from start to finish, and we are so delighted with the quality and standard of our Roman blinds.